As the League of Women Voters approaches our first centennial, the state of the organization is strong. We are having an impact at the state, local, and national levels. Our membership is growing and our engagement is stronger than ever. We are financially sound as a grassroots network of activists who strive to make democracy work.
And we're well positioned to take this work to the next level. And with this momentum comes the opportunity to strengthen our organization even further. But we have got to seize this moment.
This is a critical time in our democracy and a time of opportunity for the League. Today, the organization is exploring a transformation that will support our work and make a lasting impact on our democracy.
Our democracy is under attack, and I think it's up to the League to draw attention to it and offer solutions how the League of Women Voters can defend our democracy.
With our principled leadership and deep roots in communities across the country, the League of Women Voters is the best organization to lead this movement.
We are all working together to figure out how we can behave as one league and leverage all of our collective assets to have more impact.
This is one of the few organizations that you're going to belong to where everybody wants to hear your voice.
Success requires a unified voice, a modern infrastructure, more diversity, and more investment and influence.
Well, if anything, our core principles will be made stronger through this transformational process.
League leaders are exploring why we have these transformational objectives, how we will work together to achieve them, and how we will all define and own the steps forward.
The 5 objectives for transformation are very clear. They're very big picture, and they really allow each individual league to do what they want to do within that space.
The eventual outcomes of fulfilling them will create that interrelational, interdependent organization that we're all looking for.
The things that we are going to do a little bit different are we're going to streamline some processes to help the organization save some money.
The League is exploring the best ways to retain and expand our engagement with new individuals coming to the League.
We don't want them coming in the front door, going out the back door, because we worked hard to get them coming in the front door. We want to retain these individuals.
We believe we can learn from the past, which supports our focus on the future.
We still believe in nonpartisanship. We still believe in civic engagement. We still believe in public participation. And so a bigger, better, brighter version of that is just going to be bigger, better, and brighter.
We believe the League of Women Voters is stronger when we have more diverse voices at the table.
The fact that all we have to do is think it, dream it, believe it, and we will do it. That's what the League does. We get it done.
And we believe that together, we all have a role in implementing our future goals to strengthen our collective organization.
We're not fighting just for our organization. We're fighting for our future as a country, for our democracy, for our children, our grandchildren, and our great-grandchildren. There is no choice. Let's go to work.